sir. Good morning. Ano po? Welcome po sa tuyang confirmation right. Ano po? So, we are now in presentation of applicants. Mr. President, in accordance with the Constitution and bylaws of the KBTRT Naga, may I present to you the numbers and quantity of applicants for the membership in our chapter. They are the following. So, Sir Joram L. Bersabal, KB30, Charlie 1. Then, Sir Ronel F. Saniel, KB30, 02. Morning, sir. Sir Kirby S. De Los Santos, KB30, Charlie 03. These applicants that belong to the Charlie batch have already submitted the complete requirement and therefore ready for your confirmation, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.